Good morning guys, Sam here with Fence Twins TV, back with another video. Today is our last day down here in Florida. We're pulling into Miami right now to do some peacock bass fishing. Hopefully if we can get on some big peacock bass. Caught my first one yesterday. Let's see if we can improve on the size and get some good ones. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to scroll down and click that red subscribe button and stay tuned. We're gonna have a good day. Alright guys, we just got here. It's crazy, check it out. Behind me, downtown Miami. And then right here we got the boat ramp. It's pretty sweet. We're gonna fish some canals. See if we can get some big peacock bass today. Have a good day today. It's gonna be pretty sweet.
All timing. Setting the hook with these fish is all timing.
Yeah. Here we go. There we go, guys. First peacock ever. Didn't get one yesterday, but got one off of this bed. That's awesome, guys. All right, guys. Let's put this one back. Not too big, but it's a first.
Yeah, sir. Take it.
Yeah.
He's got his.
I'll just.
Huge.
Yes, sir. Alright, guys. Hooked up again. A peacock. Better size one there. Sweet. There we go. Look how pretty they are. A little better one there. Man, beauty. That's awesome. Here we go.
We beat yesterday now. Yes, we have.
All right, guys, so what we're doing, we're just throwing these little bucktail jigs. We're just running down the side of this channel, checking through here when we see those peacocks. We're just running this thing through there, jigging it up, and trying to get a reaction bite out of them. He ran away.
Oh no, he came back around. Oh, it flashed it hard.
Got it. There we go, guys. A little bit better one.
A little bigger.
Pulling some drag now. These fish pull pretty good. Trying to get in the grass.
All right, just work them out. Coming?
Nope. There we go. There we go.
Male. You want a hand or you got them?
I'll flip it.
Attaboy.
There we go, guys. Biggest one on the trip. It's a nice one. Got us a male, you can tell. they've got this knot on the head, a little bit different than those females we were catching earlier. That's a good one. Doing the same thing, just flipping on him when we see him. Went down the first time, he was real skittish. Came back about 15 minutes later, ate first cast. All right, guys, let's let this one go. Send him back to the bed. One pretty sweet thing about fishing for these peacocks, you know, the largemouth, the male will go up and he'll prepare the bed. But with these peacocks, they'll actually pair up before they go in to spawn. So they'll go in there together. Got one, guys. Pretty good one. Digging. Oh.
He's in the boat.
Oh yeah.
Go eat your food.
Come on, dog.
What was that? Go eat your food?
Oh, God.
That didn't sound like brotherly love to me.
There you go.
I didn't hear any brotherly love there. I don't know about you, but that sounded a little different to me.
Attaboy.
Not as bad as you thought, is he?
Yeah, we got the big one.
Huge.
Huge.
Swing him in.
Oh, he caught one.
Go back over there.
There we go, guys. Another peacock off this bed. We got a lot of fish marked that we got this morning, and some were starting to stick a little tighter to those beds. Sam almost had that one. Got one more over here on this bed, see if we can catch him. All right, guys, we're finishing up, so we're gonna head back to the boat ramp. That's gonna wrap up today's episode. Got some peacock bass fishing. Incredible day. Caught some good fish too. I think we finished up with 10 or 11 peacock bass. Ended up missing a lot of fish, but still had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to scroll down and click that red subscribe button and stay tuned. We got a new video coming out next week.